how to write vertical text in Canva. To show you this, I'm going to go to the left hand side here where it says text, and I'm going to choose a text box like this one. Now I'm going to type in something like vertical, for example. Okay, now let me just copy this for later. Okay, once we have our text, we want to select it, and you go to this right side here, for example, in the middle, and you drag it all the way to the left until every letter is positioned under the previous one. And as you can see, it arranged the letters in a vertical position. You can do the same from left to right as well, like this. And that's how you write vertical text in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.